Hello beautiful people, this is Bart from Coding into Health. Welcome. In this video we will be discussing the three bodies that constitute the human being. So without further ado, let's have a look. Okay beautiful people, welcome back. Let's have a look at the three bodies that make up the human being, such as you and I. The first is the most obvious one. It's called the physical body, or the food sheet, or the annamaya kosha. This is comprised of the muscles, the bones, the joints. So the whole skeletal system, the whole muscular system, and all the joints and support materials for the body. Now, that's the physical body. The second body is called the astral body. This constitutes of three different sheets. We have the energetic sheet, mental sheet, and intellect sheet. The energetic sheet is also called the pranayama kosha. The pranayama kosha is the sheet that is affected by pranayama exercises or breathing exercises. The pranayama kosha also covers a certain part of the physical body, and we will see how that actually is. As you can see, the sthula is the growth frame, or it's the anatomical sheet, which is the physical body. Sukshma is the subtle body, which is the one that we're discussing now. It consists of the pranayama body, the mental sheet, and the intellectual sheet. And this is the spiritual body. Now, we were talking about the pranayama kosha, the energetic sheet, right? Now, the pranayama kosha also includes the respiratory system, the lungs, the circulatory system, which is the whole arteries and veins, the digestive system with the small intestine, large intestine, stomach, liver, the nervous system, the endocrine system, which is basically all the major glandulars, the glands, the excretory system, which is the anus and the large intestines, and the urinary tract, and the genital systems. So the pranayama kosha, or this energetic sheet, has a direct effect on the interior of the physical body. And all these things are influenced and balanced through the act of pranayama, which is the yogic breathing, or the way of breathing, the yogic way of regulating your breathing for optimal health. Then we have the mental sheets, which they call, in this particular book, they call it a psychological sheet. Now, this is not to be confused with thinking, because the manomaya, it affects the functions of awareness, feelings, and motivations. So this sheet, the mental sheet, has more to do with the subconscious mind and everything that comes from that, such as subconscious urges, subconscious motivations, subconscious thoughts, subconscious feelings and emotions. So all these things are covered under the mental sheet. So when you are clearing or removing limiting beliefs, you are actually purifying the mental sheet in that moment. And then we have the intellect sheet. This has to do with rational thought and intellect. The intellectual sheet affects the intellectual process of reasoning and judgment derived through subjective experience. So this is basically the rational thinking faculties that are emphasized in this world. And then these three sheets, the energetic sheet, the pranayama sheet, the mental sheet, which is the subconscious sheet, and the intellect sheet, or the conscious mind sheet, these three sheets are forming the astral body. And last but not least, we have the causal body, or the bliss sheet. This is the higher self sheet. This is the spiritual side of ourselves. The bliss sheet is the sheet of joy. It is compared to the experience of being aware of how it feels when the person wakes or wakes up after a deep, refreshing sleep. So that's how you can experience the bliss sheet. Or alternatively, this is also the experience of being entrenched in a deep meditation. Okay? So guys, these were the 3 main bodies with the 5 subcomponents, or the 5 sheets. I hope you got something out of this. Please leave me a like, a share, and a subscribe, and we will see each other very soon. Bye bye.